Ayan, so meron tayong question for today. Attorney, pwede magtanong, may association kasi kami dito sa school. Meron sila constitution and bylaws. May right ba akong hindi mag-member kasi ang sabi once na permanent ka, automatic raw na member ka. May time kasi na sa 1 week, 1K ang binabayaran. So ang question niya is sa last, sabi niya ayaw niya na daw sumali. So ang tanong is, pwede ba daw na hindi siya mag-join sa kanilang association or sa kanilang organization? Ayan, so ang sagot sa tanong na yan is yes, pwede kang hindi mag-join or sumali doon sa association. Attorney, ano ang ating legal basis? Na una, under Section 8, Article 3 of our Bill of Rights, the right of the people to join associations or unions or organizations, whether they are working in a government or in a private office, shall not be abridged. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, there must be respect on the right of the people to join and form organizations or associations. Inclusive in this right is the right not to join an association. So, kung meron tayong right na nagsasabi na we have the right to join any association we want to choose, it comes with it the right not to join an association. Ang ibig sabihin nito, no one can be compelled to join an organization. So yung question ni ma'am kanina, no, na sinasabi niyang required daw or mandated daw, tapos 1K weekly ang binibigay, no, she may opt not to join that organization or that association. And if pipilitin man siyang mag-join ng association, that would be considered as a violation of her right. Aside sa ating Constitution, nakadeclare din sa ating Universal Declaration of Human Rights under Article 20, no, that people have the right to form or to join an association. Nandun din, nakasabi din dun na they also have the right not to join or form an association. And lastly, meron din tayong jurisprudence on this instance in the case of Victoriano versus Elizalde rope workers, no? Sinasabi din doon na the people have the right not to associate. So ano yung case na yun? No, ito kasi yung case ng Jehovah's Witness, no, na pinipilit silang mag-join ng union sa kanilang trabaho. So ang sabi ng Supreme Court, no, you cannot compel a person to join an association or to join an organization if that is in violation of their religious beliefs. So I hope nasagutan natin ang tanong ninyo, ma'am. Keep sending questions and I hope we can answer that. Thank you.